Hi folks, I just want to continue lab number 3. I want to talk to you about lab number 3 in a second here. One of the things I want to talk about is I finished number 1 for you. I'm going to see if I can help you with number 3, no, number 2. This is number 2, page 178. This is, again, just to remind you, this is top-down design that you will look at here. So if you, this is the number I want to talk to you about. This does need a screenshot when you're done. And when you get to it, I already have a kind of like a skeleton where we are picking up where we left off on. And my whole point in saying this in this problem, just a few things when you sort things around here. You're going to be dealing with a couple of other library files in this problem. There's, of course, if you look at number 2 on page 178, it talks to you about there's also the IOStream is one of them, and the other one is the CMath that's actually in there on top of it as well. So you do know that the CMath exists in there. So let's go ahead and put the CMath part of it in there. And the other, of course, is the one that's the pound include. Anytime when you use IOmanip, you are doing some sort of manipulation with your library files that you will be formatting with this thing. Okay, so this is the formatting one that you will be using to do anything that's formatting output to as well. This area right here is where you actually declare all your constant variables in here. So all constants declare here. This is an area where you declare all global variables. Other functions can access this constant right here. Coming down here, if you look at the rest of these problems, I mean the problem is pretty much straightforward. The area that I really want to hone in on is after you come down and you declare your variables. All variables declare here. Okay. After that, there's an important statement that you will see in there. That's the cout fix show point set position to 2. Okay. Now this is an important statement that means that everything after this line will be rounded off to the 100th position, 100th, 10th, and 100th position. So this is where the output comes in with it. That's the only thing about this problem that you would sort this out with it. Okay, so that's about it. The rest of the problem, it's a top-down design. Just think about all the top-down design. You're prompting for the user, and you're going to actually remember now. Again, you still have to prompt the user for information. Okay. You can store that user into, read that user into, read into memory, and then you have to do some sort of mathematical calculation, and then you have to display it. Our same algorithm that we've been using for chapter 2, back then 2 and 3, still exists right now. Okay, so that's it for the problem number 2 on page 78. This is chapter 3, 178. Thank you.